Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Synthesis Megas here, and this is day 5 of my coding challenge where I commit to code every day until I land my first coding job. And today's we're gonna solve a very interesting question. Actually, it's like a logic building question, and it's based on a string, and it's part of DSA of hackerank. So let's solve this question, and the name of the question is Mars exploration. So basically, we will look at the description first. So let's see what's saying. So basically, you see, it's just saying that the Mars rover has just sent some message to Earth in the form of SOS. So basically, it sends message in the form of SOS frequency, and you have to check if there is any alteration in the message. Suppose like message should be SOS, but you have received the message SOR. So basically, you have to just find out how many altered characters are there in the message. So this is the description basically, and we'll look at one example. So if we look at the sample input 0, let's count how many errors are on there. So if we see, P should not be there, right? P is a fault. Q is also a fault. Sorry, Q is fault, and R is also a fault. So basically we have 3 fault in this input, so output is also 3. So this is the code, sorry, this is the sample input, and we will now code to check the logic how it's going on. So let's start coding. So first of all, basically I have checked it once, so I think that's why it's saying congratulations, but I will do it again for you guys, and let's see how it will work. And first of all, I will code it, and then I will explain it. So just wait for a little moment and watch how I'm coding, and try to understand what's going on inside the code, and later on I will explain everything. So we are almost done with the coding part. Now let's run our code to check any kind of errors. Okay, we have one error. Basically, we have just misspelled the int. It should be a starting with the small s. Okay, we will correct it, and after that I think it will work fine. Let's run our code again. Okay, it's working fine. Now let's check how our code is working. So we will start from the function Mars exploration, which is just accepting one parameter, which is a string whose name is s. And next line we have just a string data type was a string variable whose value is SOS in capital letter, and we have another int variable with value of 0 initially, and we have one for loop which will just iterate till last index of the s string. And this if statement is very important, so please try to understand this. So you see, s character at I should not be equal to sos dot character at I modulus 3. So basically it will compare, and it will make sure that both are not equal. So if both are not equal, it will increment the comment by 1. Every time it finds both are not equal, it will increment the comment by 1. So how it's comparing? So just take a look. If s dot char at I, which is initially 0, so value should be s if it's right, and sos character at I modulus 3 should is s. So if both are equal, then it will increment, sorry, it won't increment, but if it's not, then it will increment the comment. So that's how it will compare both s dot character at I with sos character at I modulus 3. Why it's I modulus 3? So suppose I value of I is 0. If we divide it, or just if we try to find the remainder of this by 3, then it will return 0. So both will have the same index number. So the right thing is sos, right frequency is sos. So if the index value of sos at 0th index is s, and if s character at I have different value, like suppose r, then it means that the received frequency have some error, so it will increment the comment by 1. So in this way we're gonna get our desired output, and we will just return the comment, so that our machine or will just get the right output, or will receive the right details. So yeah, that's all from the today's code. And let's submit our code to check if all the test cases passes or not. I think it will pass. Basically, this is not a very big program, so I think it will pass all the test cases. But one more request, guys, please like, share, and subscribe my channel, please, because I want to have 100 subscribers by the end of this month. So please like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, all test case passes. So that's it from today's video. See you tomorrow, guys. Have a nice